It's time to unlock the true potential of BIM with Planoly. Your Plan module provides a simple framework to create BIM execution plans, implementation plans, and contract agreements. Drag and drop from industry templates or copy and paste your own to standardize across your projects. Build your documents together with live editing. Add text, images, tables, videos, or even embed rich content to a section to enhance your plan and drive team engagement. Collaborate with your team to progress each section by commenting, sharing, and publishing content that has been authorized for use. Simple online project planning. It's time to help teams define the optimal BIM requirements. Who, what, when, and why are the basic questions we must agree on any project scope. Your scope module is a simple and visual grid dedicated to create and agree on the necessary scope for the project's delivery milestones. Agree on BIM uses, stages, or phases to define the why. Customize your project by discipline, company standards, or use templates of known classifications like Uniformat and Uniclass. Drag and drop from the built-in library to define what scope is required to meet your model purpose. Assign the geometry, information, and documentation needed for each delivery milestone. And visually share the who by assigning teams to their scope. Visual project scopes that everyone can understand. Your schedule module ensures that teams can manage their own previously agreed work. Poor model sequencing can lead to bad coordination and hours wasted in rework. Create tasks from scratch or use powerful filters to isolate your own scope within any milestone. Drag and drop tasks to assign and sequence. Adjust the task duration, add dependencies where needed, and assign tasks to team members with notes, checklists, and attachments. Managers can easily review the whole project in a single view to coordinate between teams. It's time for everyone to take control of their own BIM management tasks. It can be overwhelming for one person to gather and update project progress. Provide your team an agile framework to manage their own tasks. Define steps important for your project. They can be status-based, location-based, or even a mixture. Filter tasks by team, team member, and status for your 6-week look ahead. Open the cards to review requirements, check off tasks as completed, or add attachments and links as part of the deliverable. Simply drag and drop to update tasks, and review the percentages of every column for status. The agile approach to project management. It's time for clearer communication and more reliable promises. The models you produce or receive must meet the original BIM requirements. A model that is missing scope or information is not a model you'd want to use for reliable quantities or coordination. Drag and drop your drawings or models into the browser. Fly or walk through to review the specific geometry and information requirements. Filter by systems, specific elements. Cut cross-sections to review even the most detailed model information, and group elements to make reviews easy. Verify that your model and documents contain the scope and information agreed to in your BIM execution plan. And only publish for authorized use when the requirements have been met. The connected BIM quality control solution. And remember, don't plan late, plan early. Planoly